If your Windows 11 PC feels slow, laggy, or just not as smooth as it used to be, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple tweaks you can do right now to make Windows 11 run noticeably faster. These are quick, effective, and completely safe for any laptop or desktop. Before we start, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app. You can do this by clicking on the search bar in your taskbar and typing Settings. Once you're in, go to Gaming on the left-hand side. Here, click on Game Bar and turn it off. This feature can use up system resources even when you're not gaming. Then, go back to the Gaming menu and select Game Mode. Make sure Game Mode is turned on. This helps Windows automatically optimize performance when you're playing games or running heavy programs. Next, let's stop unnecessary apps from slowing down your startup. In the Settings menu, click on Apps, then Startup Apps. You'll see a list of programs that launch automatically when your computer starts. Go through the list and turn off anything you don't need right away. Things like Spotify, Steam, or Discord, for example. The fewer apps that start automatically, the faster your PC will boot up. Now for one final performance boost. Go to the search bar again and type. Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Open it, and in the window that appears, choose Adjust for best performance. This will turn off unnecessary animations and visual effects that slow down your system. Before you click Apply, tick Show thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges of screen fonts. This keeps your desktop looking clean without sacrificing too much speed. Hit Apply, then OK. Finally, restart your PC to apply all changes. When it boots back up, you should notice faster load times, smoother multitasking, and a generally more responsive Windows experience. And that's it. With just a few quick tweaks, you've made your Windows 11 faster and more efficient. If this video helped speed up your computer, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use the same boost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.